Referencing is an important academic skill that involves accurately crediting sources of information. It is the way you acknowledge the work and ideas of others when you use them in your own work. When you quote, paraphrase, or use someone else's ideas in any way, you need to make it clear that you are drawing on the work of others to develop your own ideas and arguments. This includes information in any medium, from text, photos, and computer code, to graphs, drawings, and videos. Your references should follow an agreed style and format that is used consistently throughout your work.
Referencing is part of good academic practice, giving due credit to the creators of original sources of ideas and research, demonstrates your academic integrity and respect for others' work. Plagiarism is the use of ideas or works from another source presented as your own without specific acknowledgement. Referencing provides this acknowledgement and is therefore one of the main tools for avoiding plagiarism in your work. It helps make clear which aspects are your own original ideas and arguments too. When you include references to sources in your work, it also allows the reader to find and explore the original work. They can then see how you decided to use a source, which will highlight your ability to interpret the ideas of others to form your own observations and arguments. Another important academic skill. The reader will also be able to use references to carry out their own reading and research.
There are two parts to successful referencing. First, you need to insert a brief reference to the source within the text of your work. This is called a citation. Second, you need to provide a reference at the end of your work. This expands on the citation, giving all the details someone might need to find the work themselves. These full references form what is usually called a reference list. The citation goes into your work at the exact place you are referring to the source of information you have used. The reader can then go to the reference list and find the full information about the citation and follow it up directly. You will be expected to follow the formatting rules of an agreed referencing style, such as Harvard, MLA, or Chicago. Your referencing style will tell you how the citation and reference should look and what information should be included. You can reference successfully by understanding the style you need to use, recording key information about each source you intend to use, such as title, author, and publication date, and by being consistent in your approach. There are lots of different online tools that can help with creating references. You fill in the details about the source and choose the output style, and they generate a reference for you to use. It is important that you understand your referencing style, as references generated by any form of automated process are likely to be imperfect, and it is your responsibility to correct them in your work. However, these tools can be a great starting point to build on.
For more help and advice, talk to your teachers or explore books like Cite Them Right that cover referencing in much more detail. You can also find useful content online, for example on the Sixth Form Study Skills pages from Newcastle University.